Good day, everyone. We are here to tackle about the Yuri Brenvan-Finner ecological system theory. But before that, let's get to know who is Yuri Brenvan-Finner. Yuri Brenvan-Finner is an American psychologist born in Russia and immigrated to the United States of America. He earned his PhD in development psychology from the University of Michigan in 1942, and he began his influential theory based on his experience shaped by his idea about children adjust to new environments and factors such as environments, language, and culture in 1970s. And right now, let's talk about the theory that Yuri Brenvan-Finner made, which is the ecological system theory.
The microsystem is made of the people, groups, and institutions that a child has direct contact with in their immediate environment. As such, the microsystem comprises the home, school, or daycare, peer group, and community of the children. Yung mga tao na tinutukoy dito ay yung mga tao na madalas o araw-araw nakakasama ng bata tulad ng kanilang mga magulang na kasama nila sa bahay, kaibigan o kaklase, at guro, pati na rin yung mga kapitbahay which affect the child directly. Mr. Yuri Brenvan-Finner believed that people that mention affected how the child behave, how the child think, and how the child socialize to other people. More nurturing and supportive interactions and relationship will likely to foster a better environment for development. We all know na yung mga bata is not aware or fully aware sa mga nangyayari sa kapaligiran nila. Malaki yung factor ng mga taong nakapaligid sa kanila sa pag-develop kung sino or kung magiging ano yung personality nila and behavior nila in the future. Kaya mas maganda kung lalaki yung bata sa healthy environment kung saan natuturuan sila ng magandang ugali at an early age para yun na rin yung ma-adapt nila. In microsystem, Brenvan-Finner also proposed the bidirectional influences, wherein the child is affected by the behavior and beliefs of the parents. However, the child also affects the behavior and beliefs of the parents. It means that sa interaction ng bata sa ibang tao, hindi lang yung behavior or thoughts ng bata ang nagbabago. There's a vice versa wherein pati yung mga magulang o ibang tao na nakakasalamuhan ng bata may nababago rin sa kanilang behavior and also on their perspective because of the interaction they have towards the child. One of the most significant findings that Yuri Brenvan-Finner unearthed in his study of ecological system is that it is possible for siblings who find themselves in the same ecological system to experience very different environments. Isa sa mga important na pinropose ni Brenvan-Finner is yung pwedeng lumaki yung dalawang bata na magkaiba yung behavior kahit same naman sila ng environment na kanilakihan. Maaaring dahil yun sa magkaibang pagtrato sa magkapatid. For example niyan is may nakababata kang kapatid which is only 10 months old. Tapos ikaw, 2 years old na. So sa inyong dalawa, given na mas nangangailangan ng atensyon yung mas nakababata mong kapatid. There is a tendency na mas unahin ng mama mo yung kapatid mo kaysa sa'yo which may lead to the thought na mas mahal niya yung kapatid mo kaysa sa'yo. In that way, pwedeng magkamukha yung environment na kinalakihan ninyo pero magde-develop sila ng magkaibang behavior given the difference treatment they receive from their parents. Halimbawa naman sa paaralan ay kapag yung teacher ay nagpakita ng suporta sa kanyang mga estudyante, may tendency na lumaki yung tiwala ng bata sa sarili nila dahil sa positive attitude na ipinapakita ng teacher. In-emphasize sa system na ito that children from unfortunate backgrounds are more likely to experience problematic family structures, may also find it hard to succeed. For example is yung interaction sa loob ng bahay ng bata. Araw-araw niyang naririnig na nagsisigawan, nag-aaway o nagmumurahan yung mga magulang niya. May tendency na maging dahilan ito para maging bully siya sa ibang bata at gawin kung ano man yung nakikita niya sa bahay nila sa ibang bata. Kung palaging ganun na nakikita ng bata, iisipin niya na yun yung tama and unfortunately, may mga negative attitude siyang madidevelop from that experience inside their house na magiging barrier for child to develop and to succeed. Overall, there is a significant role of the people around the child regarding their development as it can affect them in a positive way or in a bad way, depende sa kung anong pagtrato ang matatanggap nila. I hope na naging malinaw sa inyo ang microsystem ni Bronfenbrenner's. Let us now proceed to mesosystem, the second ecological system.
Mesosystem is the second of the 5 ecological systems theory by theorist Yuri Bronfenbrenner. This system is simply the interaction of the different microsystems which children find themselves in. It is also a system of microsystem that involves linkages between home and school, between peer, group, and family, and between family and community. For example, if the child's parents are actively involved in the friendship of their child, and they invite their child's friends over to their house from time to time and spend time with them, then the child's development is affected positively through harmony and like-mindedness. However, if the child's parents are not supportive of their child's friends and they openly criticize their child's friends, then it would affect the child's development negatively.
Sana marami kayong natutunan sa second ecological system theory ni Bronfenbrenner's. So, let's proceed our third ecological system, which is exosystem.
Exosystem. The exosystem in Bronfenbrenner's ecological model pertains to the linkage that may exist between two or more settings, one of which may not contain the developing children but affect them directly nonetheless. Ang exosystem, hindi niya direktang naapektuhan ng bata, naapektuhan niya ito pero indirectly way. Based on Bronfenbrenner's findings, people in place that children may not directly interact with may still have an impact on their lives. Such places, people may include the parents' workplace, neighborhood the children live in. Ang gustong iparating ni Bronfenbrenner's ay may mga tao or may mga lugar na hindi naman pinupuntahan or kinakausap ng bata pero nakakaapekto pa rin ito sa kanya. Ang halimbawa nito ay ang pinagtatrabahuan ng kanyang mga magulang. For example, a father who is continually passed up for promotion by an indifferent boss at the workplace may take it out on his children and mistreat them at home. This will have a different impact on the child's development. Base nga sa halimbawa ay yung tatay daw ay ng bata ay na-promote kaya naman nabawasan na ang oras nito sa kanyang anak. Ito ay under ng exosystem kasi una, hindi naman yung bata ang na-promote. Pangalawa, hindi naman yung bata ang nagtatrabaho. Pero naapektuhan pa rin ang bata kasi nag-iiba na ang pagtrato sa kanya ng kanyang magulang dahil nakapokus lang ito sa kanilang trabaho. Naapektuhan ang kanyang behavior at personality. Kung dati lagi siyang active kasi masaya siya na laging nandyan ang tatay niya, pero nang na-promote na yung tatay niya, naging malungkot na siya dahil wala na siyang kalaro. Yung dating lungkot na nadarama niya, pwede niyang dalhin hanggang sa kanyang paglabas. Maaring di na rin siya makipag-socialize dahil ang iniisip niya ay iwan din naman siya.
The next topic is macrosystem. The macrosystem in Bronfenbrenner's ecological model is the largest and most distant collection of people and place to the children that still have significant influence on them. This ecological system is composed of the children's culture, patterns, and values, ideas, as well as political and economic system. When we say cultural patterns, this is the similar behavior within similar situation we witness due to shared beliefs, values, norms, social practices that are steady over time. Kapag sinabi natin cultural patterns, dito nakapaloob ang family gender role, incest taboo, beliefs in the supernatural, marriage, arts, dance, and music. Kasama rin dito ang pagkakaroon ng iba't ibang paniniwala at iba't ibang idea. Kada pamilya ay mayroon iba't ibang paniniwala. May iba't iba silang opinyon sa mga bagay-bagay. Pero sa ngayon, para sa akin, minsan, kahit na sa isang pamilya ay magkakaiba pa rin ng opinyon. Ang halimbawa naman nito ay ang pag nagkaroon ng botohan. Dito yan sa political system. Noong nagkaroon ng botohan sa isang pamilya, magkakaiba sila ng gusto nilang iboto. Iba yung sa nanay, at iba din yung sa tatay, iba din yung sa anak.
The Chrono system is the one of the 5 systems in the Bronfenbrenner's. Chrono system adds the useful dimension of time to Bronfenbrenner's ecological system theory. It demonstrates the influence of both change and constancy in the children's environment. So, this system, ang nakakaapekto dito ay yung change and constancy. Why? Kasi yung mga pagbabago na nangyayari doon sa environment ng isang bata. The Chrono system may include a change in the family structure, address parents' employment status, as well as human society change such as economic cycles. Ang isa sa isang sample dito ay yung palipat-lipat ng bahay. Na dahil sa palipat-lipat ng bahay, ay palipat-lipat din ang aaralan na papasukan ng isang bata. So, ang mangyayari doon ay nahihirapan siyang makipag-communicate doon sa mga classmate niya.
Ecological system theory is a scientific framework that explains how a person's development, influenced by their surroundings, and this theory has 5 forces to be explained in this video.